Hello everyone, West Sage here, and this is an update video for the Carrack build. First of all, I wanted to welcome all the newcomers to the channel and give a little background. I do 3D models for fun and post them for people to enjoy. I do not work for CIG, but I do love their ships, and I am an avid member of the community. I've been producing community content for the past 5 years, ranging from lore magazines, engineering manuals, and even concepting my own ships. The intention behind the videos is to inspire others, not to mention I'm impatient and I want to see the Carrack for myself, so why not bring you along for the journey. My Carrack is not intended to be a one-for-one replica of the Star Citizen one. This is my work of art after all. I hope you do enjoy the project so far, and if you like this kind of content, check out some of the other videos on my channel and let me know what you think in the comments below. So without further ado, here is the Carrack build so far.